I tēnei wā ka nui te pō tēnā tau mā koe mihi ki a koutou. Okay, let's have a look at what we're doing this week. And we, starting at the end of the week, we are looking at, on Friday, at political action, and there's all sorts of things going on, of course, that are really starting to mount up. I'm thinking particularly of the election campaign and who's beating who. So we've got a couple of poll results that we'll be going over, so that'll be interesting. Thursday night I'm building on what I did last Thursday and on Saturday on the dance hour, and big shout out to Sharon Mazer and others who contributed, because we really are developing a lot of cordial here, a lot of talk about new things such as interspecies performance, which still eludes me a little bit, but that doesn't matter. It's something to stimulate and get all of those inquiring minds out there going. So a big shout out to you, Sharon. I know you're listening and watching, and you did such a great job on the weekend. I thought it was fantastic, so that was really good. Wednesday night we'll be sharpening up the political world again, looking though this time at or sharpening up our attitude and our knowledge of the political world, I hope, by looking at the broadcasting world and what's going on. Last week I spent a bit of time on John Campbell and various other political commentators, such as Goa, and their influence and the effect of that on the campaign. This year Duncan Garner's another one. This year we've got some really powerful media personalities. Do they make a difference? So that's the question on Wednesday. Then on Tuesday, that's tomorrow night, we're looking at more on the environment, and tonight I'll be looking at more historical work on rangitane. So looking good, and thanks for listening today, and thanks for joining in last week, and a big shout out to everybody, especially those people in Europe who are joining in, but I'm also thinking of people in Ruatahuna and the people in Taihape, as well as people in Awapuni. Fantastic to have this big listenership down here, right near our radio station. Kia ora mai rā koutou katoa.